cinematic music with quick cuts of luxury lifestyle visuals, yachts, laptops on beaches, cityscapes, and passive income dashboards? What if you could turn your scrolling habits into a six-figure side hustle without creating a product, dealing with customers, or quitting your 9 to 5? No, this isn't a crypto scam, and you don't need a massive following. Affiliate marketing in 2025 isn't just alive. It's smarter, simpler, and more profitable than ever. But most people fail because they treat it like a hobby, not a system. Here's the three-step blueprint that could transform your income, your freedom, and maybe even your legacy. Stick around, you'll want step 3. Step 1. Pick the right niche. Fast money versus long money. Don't just follow trends, own them. Choose a niche where people are desperate to solve urgent problems or chase deep desires. Think fitness, finance, relationships. Affiliate marketing is emotional psychology in disguise. Would you buy beard oil from a 14-year-old TikToker with no beard? Bro, trust me, it's organic. Exactly. Your niche must match your audience and your credibility. Step 2. Build a value engine, not a sales funnel. You're not a salesman. You're a guide. Build trust with short-form content, email lists, or even a blog. Whatever suits your strengths. Imagine you're the Netflix of your niche, always recommending the next best thing. People don't buy links, they buy solutions. And in 2025, AI tools make this stupid simple. You can automate email follow-ups, generate SEO content, and track commissions, all from your phone. Step 3. Scale with strategic platforms, the goldmine most miss. Here's the part no one talks about. Platform plus timing equals explosive growth. In 2025, micro-platforms like Pinterest, Reddit, and niche Discord servers are converting 10 times better than Instagram or YouTube for certain products. While everyone's busy dancing on TikTok, smart affiliates are quietly cashing in. And the top earners? They're not working harder, they're compounding smarter. Affiliate marketing isn't about luck, it's about leverage. If you start now, you could build a 5-figure-a-month passive system by the time your friends are still deciding what to watch on Netflix. The cost of waiting isn't just money, it's freedom. And trust me, freedom compounds. So here's your next move. Tap into the power of compounding, because earning is just the beginning. Building wealth is the end game. Click the next video on screen to unlock the true secret of building unstoppable, long-term wealth. Your future self will thank you.